get going second chance points.
B.J. Johnson floats it up. Tapped out to Caldwell Pope. Quinn Cook taken away by Iwundu.
Magic have numbers if they run.
He's got Clark. He's got Bamba trailing. They take it away from Bamba. 3-on-1 the other way. Cook lays it in. Boy, missed out early.
Magic just continue to knock down shots.
Cook over Bamba. Quinn Cook. Cook met by Iwundu. Knocked away from Howard. Ross broke up for him. Iwundu challenging Howard. 5-on-4. Caruso. Howard fumbles it out of bounds. Magic ball. 26 seconds to play in a quarter. 21 on the shot clock. Ross to Fultz. And a foul. Wound up winning by 29, I think. Can't get too comfortable. Quinn Cook scoring with the.
I really like that. That's interesting. I
It's
don't think most people think about stuff like that.
There are only two franchises. Quinn Cook missing badly. Gordon, a great challenge. Only two franchises have had two NBA #1 picks. Ross missed the shot, but Bamba cleans it up.
Nice job by Mo staying with that one.
By Pope. Vucevic lets it fly. Clark battling for the rebound. Can't come up with it. Cook to Kuzma. Collides with Fultz, no foul. Howard banked it in. 9 for Dwight Howard. Cook missed badly. Wes Iwundu the rebound. Mo Bamba. B.J. Johnson runs it down. Taken away by the Lakers. Quinn Cook blindsiding Johnson. Caldwell Pope for three. Way off. Johnson the rebound. Markel backs it out. 2 minutes to play in the third. Fultz wrap around to Bamba. What a great pass by Fultz. And the 1 out of 2 for Bamba. He's matched up against Howard. Caldwell Pope to Quinn Cook for 3. Daniels to Cook. Quinn Cook for 2. Cook rims out. Rebound Howard. Final seconds of the third quarter. Cook pull-up jumper, good again. It was high against the Magic of 19 with Memphis. Ross for 3. Not this time. Lakers with the rebound. 2-point game. Quinn Cook down the middle. LeBron James for 3. Lakers in the lead for the Magic numbers. 3-on-2. Gordon. Johnson for 3 again. Long rebound. It is on the deck. Quinn Cook gets it and gets a timeout.
Less than that.
Right,
incredible performance.
Lakers the ball in a 1-point lead. Fultz is back. Vucevic is back. And Cook makes another 3. Quick on. Dudley saved it somehow to Cook. He missed the 3, but an offensive rebound for Daniels. They pull it out to LeBron. B.J. Johnson. The ball pops out. Caldwell Pope ahead of the pack. Missed the dunk. Vucevic clears it out to B.J. Johnson. But we have a whistle. Good hustle by Vucevic. And after that, loose ball. Quinn Cook. Pull-up jump shot. In and out. Rebounded by Gordon. Nearing the 1-minute mark. A nervous Staples Center crowd. McGee, LeBron, double team. Cook for 3. He's made them all night. Why not? Johnson guards it. Here's LeBron pumping, firing over Johnson. In and out. Rebound Gordon. And a foul is taken with. It's a 4-point game. LeBron will inbound it. It's batted out of bounds by Iwundu with .4 on the clock.